Armando here, and I will be at the gym cleaning festivals. Have you ever heard or are you familiar with SAO technology? Tersano's stabilized aqueous ozone is changing the way the world cleans. At Tersano, we believe cleaning should be simple, it should be safe, and it should be sustainable. Tersano turns regular tap water into an effective cleaner and sanitizer that is stronger than bleach and kills 99.999% of the toughest germs and viruses. Get rid of mold, mildew, and bacteria that cause odors. Reduce the amount of cleaners at your facility. Reduce your operating cost. Provide a safer work environment for your team. The list goes on and on. Stop by our booth and see Tersano firsthand. I will see you there.